Alright, so Central Cee just dropped the vertical music video for his new single Gen Z Luv, and it's kind of genius in my opinion. It's the perfect vibe for the track and his audience. Everything this guy touches turns to gold, man. His numbers are continuously crazy, and there's a few things about this beat that separates it from most tracks out there. So in this video, I'm gonna break everything down for you and show you exactly how to make beats just like it. And yo, if you need any new sounds for cooking up modern drill beats, trap, or even boom bap, then just head to jcactus.com or use the link in the description to get my latest drums, loops, one-shots, and midis. And if you use the code Central50, you'll get 50% off your next order, but that's only running for 48 hours, so you gotta be quick, and let's get straight into it. Alright, so as always, I like to set the BPM first, and Gen Z Luv is around 150, so we could run with 150 or even like 148. And the melody is actually kind of simple. It's mainly 2 chords, so we're going to create something similar, and I'm going to start off with some keys, or some electric keys anyway, and this is from Zenology. The scale for Gen Z Luv is A sharp major, and I never work in major scales, man. I make trap and drill beats, so 99% of the time I'm working in a minor scale. If you make drill and trap with major scales, you're a psycho, man. How dare you be happy? So that's the first chord. We're going to copy that. And then we're going to go to the root note, which is A sharp. Same thing again. Skip a note in the scale, skip another one, and skip another one. Then let's copy that. So they're the main chords. Really simple. So the reason that melody works for the track is because it's in a major scale, and both of the chords are majors. So to create any major chord, what you'd usually do is start with a note and then go up 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go up 3. 1, 2, 3. So you can see that's got the same pattern as this. And then we add a note on top to create a 7th, and that gives it more of an R&B feel. So let's just randomize the velocity a bit. Could even strum the notes too. There we go. We'll copy that with Control and B. Then I might just add a couple notes. Yeah, that works. And Gen Z Luv is mainly the chords, but I want to come up with some sort of counter melody just to make it a bit more interesting. Let's copy that. So I'm liking the way that sounds. Might have 2 sections. So we'll have one with just the chords and then one with that small counter melody. Now all I want to do from here is just layer this up a few times. So let's find a pad first. Liking the way this one sounds. From Zenology again. Okay, let's add some vocals to this as well. I'm thinking some sort of light choir. Let's go Omnisphere. I think that could work. Just sounds like another pad. Let's highlight these, press Ctrl and L to send them to mixers, and then we'll just process them a bit. So with the choir, I just want to filter that. The pad, I just want to take out some of the lows. And then with the keys, we'll get some reverb. Just want to make it pretty vibey. Okay, next up, I just want some texture. So I'm going to go to my Planet Drill bundle. We'll go to the Ostracon one-shot kit. Let's add something like this, and it should already lock into the BPM. Let's turn it down. Just sitting in the background. Same with these birds too. Let's get one more layer in. I'm thinking something a bit higher up so we can use it in the hook. This one sounds kind of hard. We could run with this, just in one part. I think we switch up for this one though. That one could be the one actually. I might prefer this. Okay, so these chords are crazy simple, and it's one of the reasons why it works so well with his vocals, because there's so much space. But just because we've got simple chords doesn't mean we have to make the melody basic. So now that we've layered it a few times, we can do some processing to get it sounding more interesting. So I just went ahead and split the pattern. And I just want a couple different sections. So we'll have one with everything, one without that high pad, and then one without the choir. And the birds, I think. Now we'll go to the master, we'll select ARM disk recording, then press Alt and R, and then we'll render everything. And because we're rendering the master, it's going to render all the sounds together. So now that we've got this rendered file, I'm just going to hit reverse, set it to stretch, and then select generic bleeding. That just means there's not going to be any clicks. Let's cut some of the beginning off, and then I just want to line this up right with this line here. Let's have a listen now. So we want it to start from here. See how we've got a similar vibe now? So all I'm going to do is make that cut and then bring this back. And then this is going to go there. We could do the same here. So now that we've got it in the right order, I'm going to right click, consolidate this track, and then we're just rendering it again. Now to get a bit of a choppy sampled vibe, the easy way to do it is just click here, select chop, time base, and then we can chop it by bars. Then if you hold control, left click and drag, we can highlight everything. And now we can play with these faders. And if you can't see them, just click this up here. So we can bring this one back a bit and then this one forward. It's just going to sound like it's been sampled. It's a bit more interesting. Could even change the key too. Let's try it up too. Alright, the melody sounded fire now, so we'll go to consolidate one more time. And we're just going to render it for the final time, just so we've got a clean take. Okay, and really, the melody doesn't need anything more than that. But just so I could add my own flavor, I feel like adding some vocals and then maybe one counter melody in one section.
I wanna kiss you every day,
this one could work. Fits the vibe. Yeah, this one's gonna sound hard. Yeah, some delay too. I think just like that. Then in this next part, we can just chop the vocals a bit. Yeah, maybe a chop like that will work. And then in one part, I'm hearing a harp, but just a really simple pattern. Let's grab this Elysium harp. To make it sound a bit different, I'm going to add crystallizer. And if you don't know what this does, essentially it adds a bit of delay, but it reverses the delay. So it just sounds a bit more interesting. But we can also increase the pitch of the delay. And if we do it 1200 cents, it's just an octave. So it's the same key. Alright, cool. I've definitely got enough of the melody now. And this is what I was saying. Even though it's a simple melody, it's not basic. And we're definitely leaving enough space. Let's get a pattern for drums in. So we're going to use my Planet drill bundle. We'll go to counter snares. I just want something light that sounds a bit like a shaker. This one could work. So the bounce is a bit different for this one. It's something like this. And I don't just want to straight up copy the beat. So we'll think of our own pattern. Next up, we need a rim shot. So what I'm hearing with the pattern is, instead of just starting with a drill pattern like this, could copy it out a few times, but we'll get rid of the beginning ones, just so we've got that main bounce. Copy that. And one other thing you'll notice in the Gen Z Luv track is there's no snare in the beat, or no clap and no nothing, so that's kind of hard to get your head around. I think what I might do is have this one simple part to show you that style of beat, but then we could switch it up into like a sexy drill part or something, and we'll add a few more sounds. Let's grab a perk like this. We'll just bring that velocity down. Could take a few more perks too. And I really like this perk too. Let's grab this skippy effects fill in as well. I think I just want the end select this part. And maybe even a very subtle drum fill. So we could add this one in as well. Alright, for the bass, we're going to have a few different sounds, especially when we switch the beat up, I think. But the first one I'm going to add has to be the backward one, man. So let's take it back to the Divine bundle and the Chaos drum kit. So yeah, simple pattern to start with. Let's bring these out. play around with the velocity as well, like the actual track. Something like that. Then a lower one here too. So this part sounding hard. I've got a real similar vibe to Gen Z Luv. So because I don't just want to take the full bounce and call it a day, I do want to add my own style. I just wanted to show you how to make these type of beats. But now I'm going to switch it up into a different section. Okay, let's go back to Planet Drill and we'll grab our standard hi-hat for this one. This one will work. We could add a few rolls as well. We can still use that ring. And I want to layer some of those rings with a tambourine. Maybe every other one. Let's add a counter snare as well. Thinking this one. I think we can get the same fills in as well. Let's add a snap as well, because we can layer it with the rim. Just these first ones. I think I'll open hat as well. Alright, for the bass, like I said, I might have a couple different ones, but one of the main ones I want to add is from Xenology. Yeah, we'll go with this one. Then I think in this half, what I'm going to do is cut this bass, and then where I cut it, I'll add that drill 808 back in. And then maybe just a couple slides at the end. Again, just keeping this pattern nice and simple. Crazy, you know. Alright, that might be enough sounds now, so we can do a quick arrangement. Alright, so we've got this section, then this more sexy drill section, and then I think we need a bridge like this. We could have these drums, but then we'll bring in that typical stomp. Second half of the hook could be this more energetic part with the strings in. So yeah, let's bring this back. So we'll just keep the main melody for the intro. Bring in the 808. And only other thing is just going to be this cut in the drums when the second part comes in. Then all we need to do is just bring this over. Alright, let's have a listen from the beginning. So just starting off with the melody. We've got the harp.
Cactus.
So this is the part that's most like Gen Z Luv. Now we're coming into the sexy drill. And the switch up sounds sick. And we've got more energy in this part. Then the stop. So yeah, if you were feeling this one, definitely like the video and leave a comment below. And if you want more Central Cee tutorials, just click up here. And much love for watching.